how to add or delete contact group on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on contacts app. Now here, so click on this groups. So if you want to create a new group, so click on this plus icon. So select group name. After, enter name and click on add member. So you will add members from here. So after adding a member, click on done. You will see, click on save. So you will see your group is here. So if you want to delete group, so click on this three dot icon, click on delete. So you will select group. So if you want to delete, so after click on delete, you will see, click on delete. So you will see after group delete, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add or delete contact group on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.